First of all, we would like to welcome you all in e-classes of human rights. Today we are going to discuss something about the preamble of International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966 and other related things which are introductory of this covenant. So the preamble of International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966 is that, in simple words, the preamble of this covenant expresses that the proclaimed principle of the Charter of United Nations, which are considered, extended, and reaffirmed and recognized the inherent dignity, equal and inalienable rights of all, which is the foundation of freedom, justice, peace in the world. By this covenant, further, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights is also recognized for the enjoyment of civil, political rights and freedoms, along with also economic, social and cultural rights. This preamble reveals also the consideration of the obligation of the states under UN Charter for the promotion of universal respect and observance of human rights and freedoms. The realization has been shown in respect of the duties of individual to other individual and the community under a responsibility of striving the promotion and observance of human rights and freedoms as recognized by this instant covenant, namely International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966. Further, we are going to discuss something about the general provisions under Articles 1, 3 and 5. Article 1 Clause 1 of this covenant is in connection with the right of self-determination. On the basis of that, they provide determination for their political status, freely pursuance of their economic, social and cultural development. Clause 2 of Article 1 of this covenant is in respect of the disposal of their natural wealth and resources for their own ends without prejudicial effect relating to respective things. Clause 3 of Article 1 says about the responsibility of the state parties of this covenant. Article 3 is with regard to undertaking of the states respective for ensuring the legal rights of men and women to enjoy all and civil and political rights of this covenant. Article 5 is in relation to protection, preservation and other related things thereof from such interpretation, restriction, derogation, limitation on the fundamental human rights against this covenant. The rights in connection with emergency have been contained under Article 4, which is the state parties of this covenant has a right to take the required measures in the time of public emergency which causes the threatens the life of the country and the existence up to the extension of exigency of the situations. But the same above said shall not be discriminated on the basis of race, sex, color, language, religion or social origin. Further things we will discuss my defense relating to the part in respect of the substantive right, articles 6 to 27 in coming video. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and also please keep watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.